Welcome to the intro video of this course. We here at Creative Therapy are so excited that you decided to take the first step in getting the education you need to become an editor inside of Premiere Pro. And I personally want to thank you for choosing us to help teach you along this journey. Inside this course, you're going to learn the fundamentals and what it takes to be an editor inside of Premiere Pro. From keyboard shortcuts to learning how to optimize Premiere Pro to the best of its ability, taking you through and helping you understand the layout of Premiere Pro, and teaching you professional yet beginner effects and techniques, and so much more. As I said before, we are the Creative Therapy. And because of that, we want you and urge you to be creative and not to follow along with us step by step. There's no problem with that if you decide to do that. However, we want to see your creative muscle shine. So I encourage you to download the clips in the resource section and to make those clips your own with the fundamentals and core concepts that you're going to learn inside of this course. To conclude this point, follow our lessons, but create your own thing. Now, we do want to voice that the footage that we're going to share with you in the resource sections do show products that we do not have an affiliate with or are sponsored by. We have filmed everything that we use in this course as passion projects, and we are not paid by these companies to do so. They're solely for education purposes. Again, we were not paid by Jack Daniels or Coca-Cola to create this course or provide you the content to edit with. This was solely a passion project to help you learn how to create ads for companies like Jack Daniels and Coca-Cola. And we do want to say that we do not encourage heavy or underage drinking. In this course, we will be putting ourselves in the place of somebody creating a Jack Daniels ad. And that's exactly what we will show you how to do in this course. However, if you are underage or for any reason feel uncomfortable editing footage that does include alcoholic beverages in it, please feel free to go down to the resource section and also download our Coca-Cola footage that we provide for you. As mentioned for Jack Daniels, Coca-Cola footage that we provide is also passion project related and only for education purposes. Now, the team at Creative Therapy and myself are so incredibly excited to be your mentors along this exciting, amazing journey that you decided to take. And we are filled with anticipation and further excitement to see the videos that you guys end up editing. Welcome to Creative Therapy's first Premiere Pro editing course.